I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by narrowing the cause. Confirm the keyboard type and where it's plugged in, because wired versus wireless behaves differently. Once done, reboot your computer to clear transient driver or software glitches. This often fixes phantom input. Next, plug the keyboard into another USB port or a different machine to see if the erratic behavior follows the keyboard. If behavior persists on multiple systems, it points to the keyboard hardware or its firmware rather than your PC. Now you dig into software. Update or reinstall the keyboard driver because corrupted drivers cause ghosting and key mismaps. While you're there, verify the input language and keyboard layout to rule out swapped characters. Accessibility features like sticky keys can create unexpected input. Turn them off to test. If the keyboard is programmable or has firmware, make sure you have the latest firmware installed via the manufacturer's utility, since firmware bugs can create repeated or random key events. Finish with physical checks and validation. Disconnect power, remove keycaps if possible, and clean debris because stuck keys or dirt can register phantom presses. Once cleaned, reconnect and run a key scanner or typing test to confirm each key's signal. If problems persist, reset the keyboard to factory settings or reflash firmware. Make sure to back up profiles first. If none of these steps resolve it, contact the manufacturer for repair or replacement. Warranties often cover persistent hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.